Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Jay from Jay's So Tastic Well, I don't know. But we gonna talk about knowme pattern 2125 today. I'm going to share with you what my plans are for the week. So come on, go with me. Here's the pattern and let's go see what she's talking about. I'm over here in my editing mode right now trying to get this video edited before I upload it to y'all. So I thought I'd come down here and say hello first of all and say thank you for supporting your girl and coming back to the channel time after time. I appreciate y'all. Y'all don't know what it means to me. Thank you for holding my hand during sometimes and just, supporting me and responding to me and giving me your suggestions and stuff like that. And I use every one of them. Definitely, I do. So in this video, I am explaining to you what I did with the twill or made out of the muslin fabric. So I did make the shorts. I love the way the shorts came out. A couple of adjustments are needed and I will explain that in the video, the reason why, and I will also share a picture of the shorts in the muslin fabric. And then I will start the process of working on the actual shorts today. So I'm going to be recording later on today me putting together the fly front zipper. Hopefully I'll share it in a way where if you're having issues with it, you can understand it too, because a lady in the video that I watched, chef's kiss for putting that fly front together. Yeah, I ended up loving it and I was like, why didn't I learn it like this before? So with that said, let's get into the video and here is the pattern we're working with. Hey y'all, what's going on? It's your girl Jay. Yep, from Jay's So Tastic. So what? I don't know, but we're doing some sewing over here today. So as y'all know, last week I said I was going to work on sewing a muslin fabric for the shorts for knowme. Where's my pattern at? Here it is. knowme 2125. And I do have the shorts on. Here's the pattern. Thumbnail. All right. So I have also cut out the pattern and I'll show you the pieces. My fabric that I'm using is a white polyester twill. So I am using that to make my shorts. And I have my pocket cut out already. I have the shorts laying right here on the table. So I have everything already cut out. And all I have to do is my markings and yeah, that's about it. And then I need to cut out the top and do that. So what I'm going to do is take you guys through the process of me creating these shorts. Okay. And I'm going to show you the shorts in a minute so you kind of get an idea on what I needed to do for myself. Okay. So with the shorts, I've already cut them out with the adjustments that I think that I needed to make to the shorts. Okay. Because I felt like the shorts, you may see them here when I show them to you. So I'll just go and explain. I don't know why the pocket is like this. I don't know if I got it on backwards. I don't think I have it on backwards, but I don't like that width there. So I need to, that could be me, just me. So I added some extra width to the shorts. Let me show you. Oh, it's stuck. Okay, so I added an extra piece to the shorts right here. So I cut the shorts out in a 26 because they had darts and everything, and I got a butt, so when you add darts in the front and the back, you take away from the space of the shorts for me. And also I did not sew them, the muslin, I sewed it in a 5/8, but that was too much fabric, so I had to go down to a 1.5. So you may need to make those adjustments. You may not need to. It depends on your shape, your body, everything like that. So I based all that upon my body shape because of my derriere, the bootay, and my fupa. Okay, so I had to make adjustments to these shorts. And so I like the way they fit now, but I would like for them to fit just a little bit looser then they do fit. So, oh, before I share the shorts, I also did not follow the pattern for the fly zipper front. I followed someone else. If I can find the video, I'll put the link in there. It was so easy. She actually did the fly zipper front before she put the shorts together, and it made things go super fast because once you got that zipper in there, you just start sewing the shorts together after you put the pockets on. So, and then you're done. All you're doing after that is top stitching, hemming, and putting on the waistband, and you're done. So it was pretty easy following her tutorial on the front fly zipper. So yeah, I will try to link that below. Also, I wanted a little bit more room in the derriere. When I sit down, they feel fine. They feel comfortable. Let me show you the waist. Right now, it look a little crooked because I don't have it buttoned or anything like that. So this is my fly front that I did, my zipper. The zipper goes in there really, really well, really up and down well. Okay. You can see, I had a little bit of a crouch issue, as I always do, because I have a fupa. So just being honest and up there with y'all. So it's so yeah. But the waistband, putting on the waistband and the shorts, the way they fit to me, I don't have a problem with how they fit in the back. I just didn't. I just wanted a little bit more room because my booty don't it's wide and it pokes out. So yeah, I had to make those adjustments with the shorts. But as far as the width of the legs, I like the width that they're in. I like the way the shorts fit. I think they fit well. I think I'm going to add pockets on both sides because if I want to relax my hands, if I open up my jacket or something like that, I want to relax both hands. I just don't want to relax. I don't want to keep going like this. So I did cut out 4 pocket pieces because you need 2 for each side. Yeah, you do. And so that's what I did there. But otherwise, y'all, I like the way the shorts came out. I do. I like the way they came out. And I have it on with this top because it kind of like gives me an idea how the jacket is going to flow with it. So it's going to fall right where I need it to fall at. So yeah. Like I said, I enjoy cutting the pattern out, and what my process is going to be is now that I've cut it out and I'm going to do the markings and stuff like that, I will come back later on this evening and record once it cool off because it's warm. It's hot, y'all. It's hot. So I'm going to try to record me not doing the marking part, but because y'all seen that before, but me actually sewing the front fly zipper and then doing, putting the shorts together. I'm not going to do it all in one day. I'm going to take my time because I want them to be right. I would like to wear this for my family reunion, which is coming up in July. Um, so the second to the last weekend in July, because then I go to Huntsville. So I may take it to Huntsville with me as well, because I'm pretty sure they're gonna have an all white something. So yeah, but I am done cutting out the pieces. That's my color that I am making my knowme pattern in, is the white polyester twill. So yeah, hopefully I'll get to share the process with you guys and you can learn from it. But I hope those tips gave you some idea of maybe what you could do. I'm just trying to adjust the shorts so that they look better on me. So if you take a good look at these, and then when you see the next pair and I show them to you, you will know the difference of what they look like in the back. Let me bring up the back because the waist, they fit really well in the waist. They fit well in the waist area. So I didn't have any, like, the room that you see in them, I needed that room that's back there. So the waistband had no problems putting it on. Had no problems putting the zipper in. Once I did it the way she did it, without trying to put the zipper in after you done sewed everything. Yeah. So that was the first process she did, was that helped me out a lot. She created that front fly and put the zipper in and then connected the shorts. And I was like, whoa, yeah, that's how you do it. But anyway, I ain't gonna hold y'all long, but I wanted to say thank you for supporting your girl. I appreciate all the comments. I appreciate all the love. So your girl gonna get to sewing and get to recording. So I gotta let y'all go so I can get something done and have a video for y'all by either midweek or Monday. So depends on how the process go. If I get done quicker, I will pop in and show you the shorts. And then I'll come back and I'll cut the top out and then go from there. I'm not going to do the top in the muslin fabric. I think I pretty much got that. I may do one welt pocket in muslin just so I can give myself a little bit of a practice because I do want this outfit to look good. I want to wear it. I want it to be secure. I'm doing the surgeon. I'm doing all of that, y'all. So I'm doing a complete professional finished garment. Okay, so that's what I want to come out of this. So yeah, sewing the shorts and was a pleasure. I really enjoyed it once I learned how to do that front fly. I've done one before, but this process was so much easier. But I also wanted y'all to see that there's a lot of top stitching on this pattern, a lot. Okay, and then I do have, let me share with you guys my buttons that I'm going to be using. These are my buttons, and I bought them a long time ago at Hobby Lobby. They are gold, and they were 49¢. And there's a zipper, and it has gold on it as well. I won't be top stitching in gold. I'm going to top stitch in white. Yeah, that's pretty much it with this video here. I don't want to hold y'all long on this Monday, so I know y'all probably, hopefully y'all in the house under some air condition and or central air and keeping yourself dry and hydrated, not dehydrated, but don't get dehydrated, y'all. Okay, make sure you're drinking your water and stuff like that. So what I'm getting ready to do is do the markings for these shorts, do my front side zipper, record it, and then I will come back and let y'all see where I'm at. Hopefully Wednesday or Monday, whichever get done the quickest. so so I didn't want y'all to be holding me today. Oh, she said she coming back. She didn't come back. I'm unsubscribing. Okay, don't y'all go nowhere. Keep supporting your girl. I appreciate you. I hope the people who got their weights, like their weights. Let me know in the comment. I haven't made any more. I probably won't make any more till I get some more orders or whatever going on. But yeah, so that's it. Bye y'all. I'll talk to y'all in the next video. Have a great week.